Imagine this. You are driving, music is on, everything feels normal. Then you see it, the temperature gauge rising fast, or steam coming from under the hood. Your car is overheating. Stay calm. Panic only makes it worse. I will show you step by step what to do and how to prevent this from ever happening again. Your first job is to notice the warning signs. Check the temperature gauge often when driving. Red zone means danger. Look for steam under the hood or strange smells. A sweet smell may mean coolant leak. A burning smell could be hot oil or hoses. Watch for weak AC or engine losing power. Early action can save your engine. Step 1. Turn off the AC right away. AC puts extra load on the engine, and turning it off lowers engine stress. Step 2. Turn the heater on full blast. Yes, it feels hot inside, but this pulls heat away from the engine and can drop temperature enough to save it. Step 3. Slow down. Keep the car moving, but reduce speed. Airflow helps cool the radiator. Stop only if you must. Find a safe place to stop, avoid sudden braking, signal, and move to the side of the road. Put the car in park and turn off the engine. Turn on hazard lights so others see you. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes. Do not open the hood right away. Steam can burn you badly. Let the engine cool naturally. After waiting, open hood carefully. Look for leaks around radiator or hoses. Check for broken or loose belts. See if coolant reservoir is empty or low. If coolant is full, look for loose radiator cap, but never open the radiator cap when hot. Hot coolant can spray and cause burns. If coolant is low, top it up. Carry extra coolant in your trunk. If you have none, use water as a short-term fix. Fill reservoir to the correct line. Not too much. Restart engine and watch gauge. If temperature stays normal, drive slowly to the nearest shop. If it climbs again, stop and call for help. Overheating happens for many reasons. Radiator leaks are common. Coolant hoses crack with age. Water pump may fail and stop coolant flow. Thermostat can stick closed. Cooling fan may stop working. Even low oil level can add heat. Knowing these helps you prepare. Never keep driving with engine in red zone. You can blow the head gasket or warp the engine head, and repairs can cost thousands. Never pour cold water on a hot engine. Metal parts can crack from shock. Check coolant level every month. Flush coolant as per manual, usually every 30 to 50,000 miles. Inspect hoses for cracks or bulges. Check radiator cap seal. Keep radiator fins clean from dirt or bugs. Watch oil level and top up as needed. Replace thermostat and water pump on schedule. Listen for fan sound when engine gets hot. If fan is silent, get it checked. Always carry extra coolant or water, gloves, flashlight, basic toolkit, and rags. Having these can turn a big breakdown into a small delay. Overheating is scary but manageable. Act fast, stay calm, and protect your engine. Fix small leaks early. Replace worn parts before they fail. Your car will last longer and keep you safe. If this helped you, share it. Help someone avoid a blown engine. And subscribe